We're back. We're back. We're back. Let's go Starlink. Let's go Starlink. We love Starlink. Oh, man. So frustrating. My daily disconnection. All right, this thing's just slowly making a move higher here. Your internet sucks. Well, join the gang. Buy a new PC? It's got nothing to do with the PC, sir. This is a new PC. Best PC money can buy. Unfortunately, I can't upgrade my internet. Can't do nothing about my my internet, unfortunately. I wish I could upgrade my internet. I'd do it yesterday. Where I live? Ohio. You trade from your phone hotspot? Okay, hey. Maybe I should switch to that. Guys, you do not need a super fast PC for trading. No, you don't. Well, you need, I think the most important thing with trading on a PC is your RAM memory. Is it stupid that I only use 25K accounts, Leo? No, I don't think so. No. Some would argue those are the best accounts. Oh boy. Yeah, you could I mean Starlink is a great option if there's no other better option. If that makes sense. Do you know what Apex counts as a trading day for the payout? Got some good profit in the bag already and I want to play it safer for the next couple of days. So Elon, so basically I think you're allowed out of the 10 days, I think 2 days you're allowed to just flip a contract and they'll count that as a traded day. But if, outside of that, I think they just want you to trade like you normally would. Now, what exactly that means, I mean, I would say taking a normal trade, and I don't know that there's really parameters, to be honest. I don't think there's like set parameters that, you have to make X amount or lose X amount or anything like that. All right, now we're pushing higher here off the 15,000 level. Kind of expected that. See where we go from here. Can you be long one account, short another? Milky Way. I would not recommend that, Milky Way. I think if you can show that, like, if you could show it to him, I think maybe they would be okay with it, but I think that would definitely be they would list that as a red flag, and you might have issues. And they kind of talk about it where it's not allowed to go long one account and short the other account purposely to just fade each other. I mean, you might have an argument if you present it to them and tell them, hey, I'm only doing it, because my strategy is telling me to do it here. I have different strategies. I don't want to say they won't listen to you, but I still think they probably won't allow it. But yeah, I would not do that. Hedging is definitely not allowed. There is an 89% off at Buellnox. Copy that. Yeah, I'm not really interested in Buellnox at the moment. You want to attempt that short and Q long ES? I mean, that would still be considered hedging, Ralph, I'm pretty sure. Right, Milky Way. I know what you mean. Like, I know what you mean, and it's different than hedging. Like, that's why I say Milky Way, I would reach out to Apex specifically and tell them the situation and what you plan to do, what you want to do, and I would listen to them. But I'm going to say they probably won't allow that. It just causes too many. I mean, you can imagine having to track that, and I don't know. I think you're going to have issues with that. No, I know what you mean. I mean, if you really get technical about it, I don't think. Basically, what Milky Way is saying is he has one account where he has a short signal and he's entering short, and he maybe has a 100 tick or 100-point profit target. Okay. So it's a longer trade. It's like a long trade. And then he's asking, while he's in that trade on a different account, can he take some long trades, just shorter term scalp trades that are a completely different strategy than the other one? I mean, and I think, again, like I said, it probably isn't allowed, but I think that is a little bit different than hedging. I don't know. You could make the argument both ways. What would Nutty Bar do? Yeah, but I think the ultimate thing would be I think you would still not be allowed. just my personal take. Okay, what are we going to do here, boys? Are you entering a short again? What's wrong, crypto? I'm just entering based. I don't have a signal here, so no. Yeah, Andreas, I think that would probably be the smarter thing to do if possible. But yeah, reach out to them, see what they say. It can't hurt to check, right? All right, market bumping its head on this 20 area right here. Seems like it can't get above it. All right, we have what, about 25 minutes from news? Is this a fake pump or an actual one, Nutty? How do you identify them? I wait until after it's happened, then I can tell you if it was fake or not. It's bulletproof. How is trading the 150K account? Yeah, I mean, it's just one of those kind of, you got to weigh your options. Passing the 150K account is a lot harder. You got a 9K profit target, versus what is it, a 5K drawdown. So it's just a lot harder. But once you pass them, then obviously it would be a benefit, because now you just have a 5K. You need to make 5K to make your first withdrawal, and you have a 5K drawdown. So I don't know, kind of, what's my trading strategy, Eric? Right now I'm just testing this. I'm basically looking to trade these support and resistance areas. So I'm looking for entries based off of a footprint chart for my specific entry on it. So that's what we're testing. But it's a very in strategy in the infancy stages. Nothing that I would write home about at this point. Some people say the strategy sucks. So take it for what it's worth. Hey, you're back with 2 PAs. Let's go, Apex. Hey, Sean. Yep, that's pretty much it. We're just collecting data right now. But that won't keep people from telling me how terrible it is. Which I find funny. All right, market. Just slowly going higher. Nothing really major, but we are creeping higher. My current win rate is sitting around 50% at the moment, Sean. Now, if I take away the losses from when I was trading both directions, if I only look at after that, then I'm at closer to 65%. Bro. Exactly. Broseph. Oh. Man. Let me just look. We have a 67% win rate. No, actually, that's not right. 62% win rate when we're going with the trend. Could be better, could be worse. And now we're pulling back. Again. All right, slowly bleeding higher. Okay, here we go, breaking out now. All right, here we go, ripping higher. Our first entry would be, potential would be here at the 30s, 40s, if we get there. Oh dear. Why not trading on Top Step? Why? That's a weird question. Why? Why would I? Oh, Milky Way. Yes, yes. I didn't see your question or answer. What do you guys think about a VWAP strategy? I mean, it's well worth it if you want to check it out. Okay, we got to pay attention here. See if we can get we get a setup here. All right, we are in if it closes down. Nope. In if it closes down here. All right, no setups. Nothing to see. Potential setup here if it closes down. What time it's... All right, no setups. Wow, what a move. What a move here. What about I think the kids throw a dart at the chart strategy? I like it, DL. I like that strategy. I like it. Yeah, that thing's that's a colon ripper for sure. Anyone that's short. That's an owie. That is an owie. See, now here I would have a long entry, but this thing is red, so I can't take it, I guess. Explain your rules for trade entries and how your profit and loss stop number ticks are decided. Anonymous Giraffe. What's the rules? So, I mean, I'll try and explain it, but it's basically so this is what I use as my trend line. If it's red, we only look for shorts. If it's green, we look for longs. That's the first step. Second step is once we enter a zone, then whatever direction we're looking for, we have to have a trapped order, which is based off of the footprint chart. And if we have a trapped order, then we enter on the close of that bar, which is an 8 tick bar. That's pretty much it. And then our stop loss is 30 ticks or right outside the zone. And our take profit is 30 ticks initially. And then our runner take profit is the next support and resistance zone right before we get there. With a trailing stop of 50 ticks. How I back test it, basically a lot of manual back testing. Push up. It not ideal, but all right, let's see if we make new highs here. All right, we are what, 12 minutes away. The trapped orders part. Yeah, so basically the trapped order, like right here we have one. It's basically just an indication of, for this, there was a lot of people, you know, well, I can't show it now because it's too small. But it's the blue area on the chart on this footprint is what indicates the trapped order. And in theory, it's supposed to indicate if people get trapped, that the price, if the people that are trapped and then the price moves against them, it's going to be a little bit of a faster move, I guess you could say, if that makes sense. All right, let's see if we get to the 80s. Yeah, Garcia, I remember you were saying we might see a nice push here. We definitely looking like it. Looks like it now. We have the news coming out in 10 minutes, so not sure what to expect here right before. It's a pretty big move here right before the news. This is probably Nancy Pelosi buying because she already knows what's happening. Very likely. Or Nancy Pelosi's husband. Now seeing this pull back a little bit here. Yeah, it's no meeting, it's just a minute, which means it's I don't think it really get that big of a move on these. uh Yeah, Daddy Powell makes a special appearance, then we'll have that'll move the markets. That would move the markets for sure. Can I choose which broker to trade on? Eric, not really. You will get Rhythmic or Tradevate as your broker. All right, now we're pulling back. Yes, you can use Tradevate on TradingView. Eric, yes, you can do that. Yep. All right, we are 7 minutes away from the news. No problem, Eric. I wish you luck. So if you can't switch your accounts over to a company structure, then you have to make new ones. I don't think so, Mr. Pushup. I think you would be required to close your other account. Hang on, I gotta take this. All right, I'm back. Sorry, I was on the phone. Is one account enough? Yes, Eric. I think it's smart. Just focus on one evaluation account. Focus on that. Get that passed. I mean, yeah, I don't know how experienced you are with trading, but you know, it's we all have. Sometimes takes a couple tries. It did for me. Hey, Trades by James. How we doing? That is true. You can't use the copy trader on Trading or TradingView. That is true. How the trading's going today? Not it. We had nothing great, nothing great, but could be worse. We had two trades that we hit our profit target initially, and then the last trade we got stopped out. Very similar again. This trade, the last trade here, was not a fan of, but we had to take it based off of the rules. Again, we're just collecting data. Yeah, you can use the Tradevate copier, but I'm not a big fan of it. But yes, that is an option. I don't think so, Rick. I don't think so. Not that I'm aware of. Hey, nice trade or nice day today, Kyle. Nicely done, Kyle. Nicely done. There's definitely been some nice moves to catch today for sure. All right, 2 o'clock is here, folks. Oh wow, yeah, it's here. It's officially here. News is out. What going selling off a little bit here. Nothing major. Just kind of definitely slowly pulling back here. Maybe not. Everybody took their time reading the notes. Now everybody's finding out at the same time. I don't know. All right, I don't know. We'll see what we feeling definitely a little bit heavy here. Feeling a little bit heavy here. Oh, we're going down. Pulling back more now. Everybody hold on. Everybody hold on. This looks like the market didn't like the minutes. They were not big fans of the minutes. They said, we don't like it. All right, here we go. Down to the 15,000s. 15,000 about to be tested again. All right, now we're ripping higher. Maybe that was just a little fake out. I'm going to wait a little bit yet before I even think of taking a trade here, but someone talking there? No, the news can't. The FOMC minutes came out, Maddie. You had a meeting? Oh, you didn't miss much. Not much. You're long at 1512. Okay, nice. I wish you much luck. How high can it go? Let's see. Let's see. Can this thing rip? I need to go grab a water. All right. Well, now the market's just stuck here. I did not miss my entry this time. Jack attack. I mean, this FOMC is just the FOMC minutes, so this is never really that big of a mover. It's when they have their FOMC meeting is when the market really moves. All right, now we're pulling back a little bit more here. $15,120 is attainable today. Oh man, those are some high expectations. I honestly don't think the market's going to move that much. I mean, this isn't that big of a news. I don't really expect the market to make any crazy moves here, really. We've seen the crazy move. It was about a 30-point move. That's it. Okay, 15,000. Here we go. Right at 15,000 again. And whoa, boys, hold on. We selling. We are selling. Paging housekeeping. Wow, look at this rip. That's a hard bounce off of the, what, 82s? 1,000 on the day. Let's go, Matt. Wow, let's go on micros. That's awesome. That's some insane trading there. Let's go, Kyle. That feels good when you're in the zone. Feels good. Nicely done. That's awesome. All right, folks. Now, will this hold? Are we going to make new lows? New lows here or not? Let's go, Matty Matt. And Kyle. Nicely done. Okay, now seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Maybe the Bulls can take this thing now and rip it. Rip it higher. The Bulls got some work to do. The Bulls have some work to do. Okay, maybe the Bulls, they can hold this. There's hope. Yep, you're good, Garcia. I knew you were that was pretty close though. That was getting pretty close. I was a little worried. Hey, we're at the 20s now. Oh, look at that move. Whoa, folks. All you bulls are hanging in there. All right, folks. You got hope here. Come on, what? Why did he why does he ignore people? I don't do it intentionally, male gossip. What were you saying? I got work stuff that I'm doing as well. So if it looks like I'm ignoring you, then it's just because I'm working. What are you? I'm not sure what you're asking. Uh, I just stopped by to tell I can make a withdrawal from my first 150K PA account. Let's go. Slovenia, let's go. Love it. Love it. That's awesome. Let's do this. Like I said, I have the most profitable traders on YouTube. My chat is the most profitable. Now, yesterday we speculated why that is, but look at this move. Whoa, folks. Off the lows, we're coming up on a 100-point move off the lows here. What a move. All you guys that held long, congrats. Stop ignoring us. Okay, here we go. Let's see. See if we can get up to the 80s, get above VWAP. That's going to be important here. Now, I am currently, we're only looking for longs now, so we need to get above this, hold it, and then hopefully test this area for an entry. But man, what a move. What a move. You got in at 15,000. Nicely done. Yeah, exactly, Tom. That's what I was saying yesterday. The reason I have the most profitable chat, the reason you guys are so profitable is because you're watching me and then you're doing opposite of what I'm doing. It's very smart of you guys. Okay, Garcia, is your target 60? No, Kid Poker. No. There's always, ugh, that's unfortunate. Yep, Sean, I'm up to you guys' strategy. It's not a bad strategy. I'm not even mad. Okay, we hit 70, and now we're pulling back. See, let's pay attention here. Time to switch to micros, no more than 5. Yep. And now we're pulling back a little bit here. Okay, we got, let's see, this thing keeps going. Okay, and now we're pulling back. You're out, Garcia. Okay, I was hoping. Nice trade, Garcia. Nice trade. Nice call out as well. Hey, Jerry, that's awesome. Hey, if you're up, nice. Remember, all these moves seem easy, but you can be on the wrong side of them, and then it's not as fun. What? Hey, you pass your evals, Jin. Let's go. Let's go. You could be behind Wendy's. Yes, you could. Before you even know what happened. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, we're trying to get through the 70s here. Hmm. Okay, through the 70s. Let's see if we get above this, and then we can possibly get an entry here. Hang on, I gotta. Okay, but potential entry. Gotta pay attention here. Come on. Oh, no entries yet. Nothing. Okay, right here we have an entry. If it closes up. Nope. All right, no entries. All right, we're still watching. No entries here. Yeah, Andreas. Yep. Hey, take care. Yeah, Bill, I hear you. It feels like that sometimes. Hmm. What I traded like you would have also bought into strength from support and solid new weakness and resistance. Yeah, Bill. I mean, one thing that I am considering, and again, like this is, I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about incorporating, like, obviously this, we were testing this strategy. That's what we were doing. But one thing I'm really thinking about doing is, going back to basically trading price action, but incorporating these levels and doing more discretionary trading, but really paying more attention to trading the support and resistance levels just based off price action, which would include a little bit more discretionary entries, but still pay a lot more attention to them. For example, down here, I'm not taking this trade. When we're at the top of the range, I'm not taking those, or previous day's range. Anyways, that's something I've been thinking about incorporating. Mm. All right. You hate discretionary trading, FYI? Yeah, trades by James. Some people are not for it. Some people are for it. I don't know. I think there's pros and cons to each. I mean, I think doing mechanical entries has its benefit, but I don't know. I don't know that I'm fit. I don't know that I'm cut out for mechanical entries. I don't know. I just don't know that I'm cut out for it. I wanted to give it a try in a live environment, but I just don't know that I'm, like I always say, I think it's important that we trade how would you say? Every person is different. You're a discretionary trader that pretty much only looks at break, retest, and trend lines. Yeah, Rev. I think that is definitely the most important part of it is that you have to have discipline. I'm emotional from what you've seen. I'm curious. Do you have a clip of that? Everyone is emotional, okay? I really like the people that say, oh, you can't be emotional when you trade. Well, I got news for you. Everyone's emotional when they trade. It's more of controlling your emotions. But I know what you mean. 8. Yeah, obviously you need to be in control of your emotions. And there's definitely been times when I haven't been, no doubt about it. But it's something that you continually to work. It's something I definitely need to improve on. Yeah, yep, I'm with you, Aaron. Same. 20 push-ups in the morning, 20 at night. I like it. Push up, Mr. Push Up. We're going lower, folks. Oh, lit. We are. What is going on here? And now we're seeing a bounce again. Crypto, he won't enter a trader. LOL. What's your problem, Crypto? I feel like you got a little bit of a. I feel like you got a problem. You want to talk about it? You want to talk about it, or do you just want to leave? Feel like that's a little bit of a weird question there, Kyle. Or I'm not sure what you mean by it. Yeah, I would pay $0 because anytime someone tells me they have a strategy that will make them $250 a day, then I know they're lying. Oh no, DUI did. Trade of 8 strikes again. Yes. It just froze again. Unreal. Uh not not cool. Yeah, I just send the video, send everything into them. Usually they take care of it, but it's annoying. That's why I just don't I mean, in all fairness, I don't understand why people would use Trade of 8. Why would you continue to use Trade of 8? I mean, they have had so many issues, which I know some people don't really have a choice, I guess, but I just don't understand why people would even use that platform. All right, we'll see, Crypto. You've had a couple messages that are just borderline stupid and trolly. Consider yourself warned. Next time, you'll just be gone. You're switching to Sierra and Jigsaw? I mean, yeah, I know. Trade of 8 has its advantages, especially for, I think, Mac users, primarily Mac users, and then also people that want to trade by phone. And it's unfortunate that there isn't a better option out there, but it's just, they have so many issues. Yeah, I'm talking about Crypto Monsters, sorry. Crypto just sure, you're good. I didn't even see that you had. I didn't even see you had the same name. Well, but Kyle, like that's how it comes across, Kyle. It like, and I know you have a lot of wiggle room with me, but it sounds like someone that's debating about selling a strategy and advertising it that it can make $250 a day. Anytime I see that is like, it's just very cringy. Because how will that? I mean, it's been proven that it doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. All right, what are we doing? We keep going lower, folks. Like that, you can advertise that you can make $250 a day. Like it's that easy. No losing days, just $250 a day. Trust me. Trust me. Give me your money and trust me. And if you have like 3 months or 2 months of history, that is like, that's not even close to enough history to advertise that. What would you need to see to be actually curious? I would need to see like a year's worth of confirmed, like from a real broker, profit and loss confirmation. I would need to know like how long are you trading? How long are you holding? How many trades are you taking per day? Well, there's a lot of things that would it before I would like take it seriously. And what's your drawdown, etc. Like there's a lot of that that it would need to that I would want to see. But you know what's funny? I've had those people. I've had those people that claim, well, first of all, you'll never see anyone selling any signals that claim you can make $250 a day. And do you know why? Because they wouldn't survive. They will get sued like crazy. So they're very vague about it. But then those same people, when you contact them and ask them, you know, for proof that they're profitable and have been consistently profitable for a set amount of time, then all of a sudden you're the bad guy and they'll never give it to you. I always find that interesting. Why did I buy this indicator system? I didn't buy it because someone was telling me it would make me $200 a day. Why do you buy Bookmap? For the same reason I bought Bookmap. I didn't buy Bookmap because it was advertised that it's going to make X amount of dollars a day, Kyle. Like, really? Really, Kyle? What is wrong with you? Like, you want to compare the two? You don't even what? You are what are you talking about? You're getting very close to getting blocked. Like that, you understand that you don't even understand the difference. You're not trying to be offensive. Well, you failed. Yeah, but you're trying to compare the two. That's not even close to a comparison. What? And second of all, you're pretending and insinuating that I'm trying to promote the Apex system, which I've never done. Like, and then second, you're trying to say, I bought it because, I mean, you're insinuating so much. Just trust the brand is what you said. I mean, yeah, okay, whatever. It obviously sounds like you want to sell indicators and then you're trying to use like my channel to do it. Yeah, I have issues with that. You're asking the questions and you're trying to use my chat as a poll. Hey, how much would you guys pay for if you could make $250 a day? Like, I don't know. It just seems a little shaky. Seems a little sus. I mean, I'm being cynical. I mean, read the chat. It did not come across that way. And you can spin it however you want, but that is not how it came across. Crypto monster. I mean, I like Kyle. But that was some sus. That's a little sus. We're gonna let it slide. Internet is a crazy place. Yeah, it is. Hmm. I mean, yeah, if it be anyone else, I'd probably block them already, but I'll give you the leniency, Kyle. I mean, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. But it's I don't know. The way that you defended your question is what has me a little bit sus. Meanwhile, back to trading. Unfortunately, there's nothing to trade here. So, like, yeah, I'm not gonna don't want to continue. But Kyle, I'm curious why the answer that you had, interesting answers, a lot of skepticism. What strategies do you all trade? What's the point of that comment? I'm very curious. And then you also commented, it's unbelievable that someone can make $250 a day every day trading? Question mark. I really got to milk my luck then. And again, you're insinuating that you're making $250 a day. And then previously you're asking, hey guys, how much would you guys pay for a strategy that could make you $250 per day? How much would you pay for this information on a monthly basis? And now you're pretending like my reaction is like somehow like, what? You're trying to backpedal is what it feels like. And like, don't pretend like that's confusing. So like, now you're just trying to hide behind what you said. That does, like, that's the issue I have. I'm reaching. Well, then like, explain to me those comments. Explain to me those comments. Like, I mean, all right, at the very least, don't pretend like I'm reaching some foregone conclusion and making insinuations about what you said. I mean, yeah, you can have a minute. I mean, but you said that is what you said. All right, we're getting close to the 15,000 level again. Hey, you're up 6K on the day. Let's go, Aaron. Nicely done. What system it's called? It's not called anything. It's just me. It's just me testing some things. No specific system or anything. Oh, hey, take care, Aaron. Take care. Thanks for stopping in. All right. Very curious here if we make new lows or not. Really not interested in taking a short down here. Hopefully it doesn't trigger. Hey, let's go, Brandon. Hold it. You guys are killing it. Okay, on the 300K account. Nice, nice. Man, that 300K account, that thing is a beast. I don't know how those people do it. Like, Vince had 20 300K accounts, which maybe he used a copy trader. I don't know, but hold it. That's insane. Like, getting 20K profit to pass that thing is that thing is a beast. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, Brandon. He said, let's go, Brandon. I didn't even think of that. That's funny. That's funny. Oh dear. Confirmed. Now I'm a confirmed Trump supporter. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh boy. Mike's size is 15 on the MNQ and just 10 to 15 over and over. Okay, nice, nice. Oh, hang on, I gotta take this call. Okay, I'm back. Hey, we're at 5,000s. Now we're below it. Yay, 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 yay. All right, hang on. Okay, here we go through the 90s. Are we gonna make new lows? Alrighty. I actually, okay, hang on, let me think about this, but I'm actually going to have to go here in about 5 minutes. It's the first day of school, and I wanted to be there when he gets home. Yeah, kind of wanted to be live for the Murbot, but I don't think we're going to be able to make it today. We are not going to be able to make it today. Wow, new lows. Oh, snap. New lows. Wow, 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 wow. I've got a kid. Yes, I do. I surely do. He is in 5th grade. Hard to believe. Man, I kind of want to hang around, but I have to go. Kind of curious what this market is going to do. Look at this thing. Man, we're at the 970s now and just keep going lower. 960s. Ay, 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 ay. 100-point move from the 70s here. Wow, 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 wow. Man, I feel like this is going to be some crazy price action here, right? Heading into the close. What's liquidity looking like? 950. If this is not one of the strangest days ever, I mean, I feel like the FOMC, when it's not just the minutes, when it's the regular FOMC day, I feel like it's sometimes crazier, but it's definitely yeah, sour hour. Yeah, fresh new lows, man. I guess everyone was right. Some were saying we're going to make new lows. Some were saying we're going to bounce off this. I guess we're all right. Hey, that's not fair, Timothy. Oh, man. I mean, DUI dad, just reach out to them in customer service. Just reach out to their support. That always worked for me. Yeah, that is pure news, which we had the FOMC minutes, but yeah, it's crazy. Down we go to the 60s. Now we're below the 60s. Unbelievable. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, man. Yep, Mr. Push Up. I feel like DUI dad, you said that in the past, and then they ended up fixing it. And that is, they said it's trade evade issue, and they aren't doing anything. The support said that? That sounds, that's interesting. DUI dad, send me an email if you can find my email on my channel. Send me an email, DUI dad. You're good, push up. Not really. Yeah, just send me an email, DY Dad. Yeah, the Bulls. Okay, well, I'm afraid I have to go. What time is it? 3:15. I need to he's gonna come home about 3:20 and I want to be there when he comes home. So I'm gonna dip, folks, and yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for joining, thanks for tuning in. And we'll do this again tomorrow morning. Take care, everybody, and have a great rest of your night, and God bless.